mauti zilizotokea siku ya Jumapili eneo hilo la Kenol, kaunti ya Murangá. Kupitia mwenyekiti wake Vikali, chama hicho kinataka wanasiasa kupunguza joto la kisiasa nchini. Hebu tupate kauli zao.
Jubilee and on the Murangá issue. Good morning once again. Maendeleo ya Wanawake is a national grassroots membership institution. Maendeleo has a board of 58 members who I represent, comprising of 47 county chairs and 11 national officials. Out of the 47 county chairs, 11 are from Rift Valley, 17 we have 11 plus 6, we have like 70 national officials countrywide. And therefore, when I receive the calls and I hear the panic of the women in what is happening, it then makes it necessary for me to come and speak. As I have majority here, from there, we have the rest of the country. Maendeleo since inception has been a quasi-government institution, actively involved in disseminating government information to the grassroots, among other activities. In 2017, and we really want to underscore this because we were out there, Maiwo was at the forefront in the national campaigns. We didn't find it necessary to say this, but from what we hear every day, we think it's important to add our voice. In the words of His Excellency the DP, he has always said if there is anyone who campaigned hard in this country, was His Excellency the President, himself the DP, the First Lady, and we there then say Maendeleo comes in because we were there. I was there around the country in 2017 in all the counties. When handshake then happened, it took all of us by surprise, but we supported it because the head of state found it important to have the handshake and we needed peace. Later, when BBI was launched, Maendeleo supported it, and we took our views in 2018 and also in March this year. We have continued to stand by the handshake. We have that background to show that Maiwo works with the government of the day in our long history. Today, on behalf of Maendeleo Board and National Steering Committee, I issue this press conference because we are pushed hard by the daily happenings in the political scene, cognizance of the fact that children are at home watching television and we don't want to be shown that there's a crisis which is not there. First, I want to condemn the violence we saw in Murangá, even as we send our deepest condolences to the families who lost 2 children, and we know we have 5 in hospital. This is unnecessary pain to parents. It is uncalled for, whoever the organizers were. Please take us out of this campaign mode. It hurts the mothers, the youth, and children. Secondly, we call on the church leadership to cease allowing political rallies in church. I have said it before, and this is not acceptable. It is in churches where we go for solace and to commune with God, where politics should have no space. It is important to note that we hardly hear any sermon in churches today, and we all go to church. I'm an Anglican, and the main thing is to hear the sermon. We never hear sermon anymore. Politicians come to the stage, and we have to listen to them reading us the Bible instead of the preachers. It is not good. It is important to note that, okay, I've said about the churches. Then immediately after the services, we have these big crowds now these days who are waiting outside, forgetting that we are under COVID. You are in masks, mine is here, and we're asking ourselves, are we truly thankful to God, the work His Excellency has done on COVID? And sir, Your Excellency the President, you have done a good job for Kenya. We look at you and you say, Maendeleo says, thank you. You have done a good job. It can be better, and we shall support going forward. Thirdly, with a lot of humility, I want to call on the Deputy President, regardless of what might have happened between him and His Excellency the President, and we said this a month ago, to find a reason to reach out to the President so that you talk to him without us seeing all the things we are seeing, whether it is in Jubilee, Pangani, whether it is in all these churches. We know you've told us you did this journey from 202. There are some of us who are there from 202. We don't have to say it.
Na mtazamaji